Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 157 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the new NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer to try out. So I recently picked this up in my NYX haul. I'll link that video down below. I picked it up when I went to the NYX store to get the new Swear By It palette, which you have to check out. And when they released that palette, they also released the Slip Tease Lip Lacquer, which claims to be full color and it comes in 24 different shades. I will say though, when I was trying to pick out a shade, they're all very like nude. So I like a nude, but I prefer more color on my lips, and there was not much color to choose from. Like if you were gonna get a pink, it was like a pinky nude. If it was a purple shade, it was a purple nude. And this one I guess is kind of a pinky purple, goes with my dress today. This is the shade Strawberry Whip. I'm excited to see how it actually looks. And this retails for $7, and NYX is a cruelty-free brand. This packaging is definitely cute though. It's a hexagon shape. This is an interesting applicator shape. It's like an hourglass shape, which I don't think I've ever tried before. Let's see how it swatches. That does swatch very nicely, has really good full pigment, and I can already smell a like minty, yeah, a very like nice vanilla minty scent to it. I'm really liking this color. Wow, that pigment is so nice, like so full opacity. That's really impressive. And that applicator was great, very easy to work with. Even though it was like a different shape than I've tried, it was pretty easy to get accurate shape. And I'm liking this color. This Strawberry Whip shade is very pretty, but this just looks amazing on the lips. I love the sheen, but it looks so like healthy and moisturizing to my lips. Like my lips look so smooth. I'm really impressed by this formula. It does feel pretty heavy on my lips, and it feels like it's very like wet and glossy. See, like I'm afraid it's gonna smudge a lot. Yeah, so it's definitely gonna smudge. Let's do a kiss test. That transfer though, oh my gosh. Like, I don't know how I could ever wear this most places, because if I have to eat or drink or kiss someone, like it's really bad transfer. This is going to leave such a mark on anything that my lips touch, and I really don't like that. The color though is fully intact because of that pigment being so great. Even though there's so much transfer, it does look like perfect still on my lips. Like, I'll wear this, I'll throw this in my purse, put it on after I'm done eating. Like, then it will be great. It does feel long lasting as long as it's not gonna transfer. I definitely think that the pigment is the best feature of this lip product. So in this case, where it's $7, I do feel like that's a valid price for it because it is a good quality lip product. I also like that I don't feel like this needs a lip liner because it's very easy to get an accurate shape with the applicator, but it's also not feathering and bleeding at all. So yeah, I would be interested to try this out in the other colors because it's so opaque and the pigment is so great. I think that I could get away with wearing some lighter nude shades because I don't really have to worry about like my natural lip color showing through on the very light nudes, which is typically a problem for me and why I don't really try out those really light nudes. So I think I'm gonna have to go back and try those out. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite NYX lip products. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.